Hello everyone, welcome back to Tania's Kitchen, where I show you simple and helpful recipes. In today's video, I will be doing a homemade strawberry jam with only 4 ingredients. Very simple. So I have about 5 cups of frozen strawberries, a half cup of honey. I have 1 teaspoon of agar flakes. And basically what agar flakes is, it's seaweed or algae, and it's used as a thickener. I know we're used to using gelatin, and gelatin is made from animal products, sometimes mostly pork fat. So I don't use that. I use the agar flakes and a 3 teaspoons of cold water. So we're going to start by turning on our stove, and it's very quick and simple. And we're going to put the 5 cups of frozen strawberries into the pan. And we're going to add our honey. And this is raw, natural honey, no preservatives. So what we want to do is cook this until the strawberries become really soft. And then we just add our agar to it after. And the fire is a little bit too high, so we want to turn it to like medium heat. Not too high that your strawberries will start to stick and burn. So we're trying to get out all the honey, this natural goodness. And it's better to make your own jam, because the ones in the store are, you know, they have preservatives because they have to be on the shelf for a long time before you actually purchase it. So we're going to make ours, and then we're going to keep it in the fridge for about 2 weeks. But it's so good that you'll probably finish it within a week. All right. And now we're going to, while it's taking its time and melting the strawberries, we are going to get the agar flakes ready. So 3 teaspoons cold water, 1 teaspoon agar flakes, and we just want to add it in. And you just want to mix it until it dissolves. Very simple. And then we just add it to our strawberries. And we just turn it every now and again because we don't want it to burn. And as you can see in the pot, the strawberries are softening up nicely, and they're producing some liquid. And what will happen after it gets soft, we're going to let it boil for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to add it to a glass container and let it cool, and then we'll just put it into our fridge. And it will thicken as it sits down longer. So it might look a little bit runny when I'm finished with it, but it will thicken up. So we're just going to leave it now and let it boil for 5 minutes. All right, so I had it on the stove for about 10 minutes. I tried 5 minutes, it didn't work out. They were still chunky. So if you can see into the pot, it has now started to thicken up a bit, and the strawberries have kind of turned to a mushy consistency, and that's what you want. And while it's boiling, you can actually just take the back of the spoon and mash it along the pot. So we're going to just turn it off now, and you want it to let it sit for just until it cools a little, say like 5 minutes, and then you throw it in your glass container. So what I'm going to use, I'll be using a mason jar, and then I have a funnel. Yeah, a funnel, a silver funnel. Oh, that's what it's called. Oh, all right. So nice and thick. All right, so now we're going to put it into our mason jar with our funnel. You don't have to use a funnel if you don't want to, but it makes it a little bit easier so it doesn't splash out. And it makes one mason jar exactly. And there you can see strawberry jam, homemade. So we just let it sit on the counter until it cools, and you want to keep it in the fridge for about 2 weeks. It will thicken up as it begins to cool. And there you have it, a simple and homemade strawberry jam recipe. I hope you'll give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.